Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Saumya aka Pretty Paperback, and by the title of the video you already know what this video is going to be about. So I went to a book fair in Lucknow which was organized by BookTale India. So when I went to the book fair, there were so many genres available. There was a section for romance, crime, thrillers. There was a section specified for kids as well, and I also saw beautiful hardcovers of classic books, and there were also some book talk books like Haunting Adeline, Twisted series, books written by Colleen Hoover, and I was in love with the collection. Honestly, I even attended author session as well. It was fun, interactive, and I just love it. I even met my Bookstagram besties, and yeah, let me just quickly take you to a flashback and then quickly show you all my books. Guys, you got to see this. It should be called as Box of Happiness. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye. It's just making me so happy.